In this video of Facebook ads course, we will learn how you can create a new ad set, and you will also learn how you can create multiple ad sets in this video. These ads are so much in use, especially when we run Facebook ads. So we will learn practically each and everything. So learn it very well, because Marketing Fundas is a digital marketing agency. We are sharing our agency's experience. Whatever we are explaining you is based on the experience of multiple clients. So friends, I am hoping that you will learn this course very well. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so that any important videos from this course or any important future courses you don't miss. Before we move on to the video, I want to give you an important update. For the very first time, we have brought a fusion course in which we will be learning fusion of the artificial intelligence and digital marketing. We will learn its fusion, like how through AI we can use digital marketing and how we can increase productivity by integrating these and using them, because these are the future skills. If you want to build your career and grow business multiple times, you should come here. So you can call on given number and get information of this course. Let's move on to the video.
In this video today, we'll talk about how to create a new ad set and ad copy in Facebook ads. So basically, Facebook ad copy plays a very important role in the Facebook ads. Sometimes we make similar products for one product at different platforms and use different ways to create ads. After putting ads, sometimes our goal is to bring reaches and also to bring the leads. There is different kind of goal. So basically, we are unable to track them. We are unable to do A/B test. Along with A/B test, we are not able to work on them. We cannot see how many audience we are targeting. With different ad copies, we target different audiences. In ad campaign, as you know, in Facebook ads, we have 3 levels. Among them, one ad is Facebook ad. One is Facebook ads campaign level. Another one is Facebook ads ad set level, and then Facebook ads ad level. So let's get started. Facebook test book. So first of all, we will log into the Facebook, where we have an ads manager option. If you don't see the ads manager option here, then you can scroll down and here you can see the option. And if you don't see it, you can click on the see more button and you will able to access ads manager. There is another way you can access ads manager. There is another method where you can type Facebook ads manager. But for this, firstly, you will need to log into your profile, which is mandatory. If your profile is logged in, then you can access the ads manager. You will find the option for Meta Ads Manager. Click on it and you can jump into your ads manager. Go to ads manager option. Click on this and check. Right now, if I click it from here, even then also I go to the same ads manager. As you can see it here, adsmanager.facebook.com, and even here ads manager facebook.com. Same interface you have, and there is the same interface here. So we will work on same. Like here, we will create a simple campaign. We can take any objective. So we will click on the create button and see here you have multiple objectives. Awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. You can choose any one of the objective. I am choosing awareness here, and then I will click on the continue. Now you have first level, that is ads campaign level. I will not do any changes because I was going to talk about ad set level. And here you have come to ad set level. Once the settings are complete and created your settings, you come back to the level and you set it again. And suppose if you want to copy this ad or if you want to create ad set in multiple dimensions, then you have 3 dots option. Click on those dots and here is a simple duplicate option. Another one is quickly duplicate option. If you want to duplicate it in same ad set, in same direction, and if you want to create another same ad set, so you will click on quick duplicate and we will wait a while and one of your ad sets will get ready. One more ad sets. And if you want to create duplicate, then here you have the duplicate option, that is Ctrl+Shift+D. Just click on it. Then you will have multiple options. Like there is an original campaign, other existing. If you are running the ad already, and for that ad, you want to run ad, click on adjustments and then search here for whichever campaign it's running. I think there's a new awareness campaign running that is showing here. We are working on the original campaign, and if you want this new campaign, then we can make a new campaign as well. Here you can set its objectives. You can see now it's giving awareness here and number of copies here 2, 5, 6, 10. as many copies you want, you can create. So basically most of the copies, we don't take 2 or more than 2. So this is sufficient. And when you will scroll here, then you will have multiple options given. Then you can click and you have to give a name to the campaign. I am giving it awareness 2. So awareness, I am giving 2 and will click on the duplicate and your ad set level will get ready. So I created 2 ad copies here. You can see in awareness 2 here. One ad set is this and one this. And one that we have created the duplicate, sometimes we don't need it. So here we get an options to delete. So simply we'll click on the 3 dots. You'll get an option to delete. Simply by clicking on delete, your ad campaign, ad set level will be deleted. Whatever you want, complete the campaign that you made and you want to delete it, you can delete like this. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood why do we create ad set copies and why do we do that, what benefits we are going to get from one ad, how to target, multiple tabs. I have shown you everything briefly. I hope you must have understood it properly. See you in next video. Thank you.
Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video too much. If you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries, you can write and ask them in the comment section. So friends, if you are getting to learn from our content, then please make sure to share our video. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out important courses and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.